Welcome to a new space, a space of free-flowing innovation and creativity. From this space, new ideas emerge for you to wrap your mind around and discover new possibilities. Unveiling the next leap in vacuum technology, a new intuitive approach to the way you vacuum your products. Introducing Aura. With an exclusive full-color H-touch display, Aura instantly feels as familiar as your most trusted culinary tools. And with I-vac, our most advanced software yet, simply select your product and Aura knows precisely what to do. With its seamless round corners, Aura is a work of art. But it's not just about beauty. It's our most hygienic machine to date. Easy to clean, beautiful to look at. We've fully re-engineered the hinge system to minimize wear and tear. The optional custom-engineered gassing system makes it easy to clean and replace the nozzles, making Aura built to last. Each aspect reflects our commitment to making your journey smoother, your work easier, and your experience more profound. Discover the versatility of chef mode, thoughtfully preloaded with specific cycles. Customize them as you see fit with tailoring, or embrace the hands-on experience of manual mode. Step into a space where vacuum packing truly becomes second nature. Experience Aura today.